Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of the Sharekhan 3-hour actionable stock updates, where we discuss the latest investment ideas published by Sharekhan Research. 3R basically means the right sector, the right quality and the right valuation. The first stock update for the day is Indian Hotels Company. Analyst maintains a buy on Indian Hotels with a revised price target of 182. Indian Hotels is focusing on turning asset light by adding rooms through management contracts and scaling up newer initiatives which can generate higher margins at a minimum capex. Company aims to reduce debt to pre-pandemic levels by hiving off non-core assets and generate better returns on capital in the medium to long term. Strong room inventory and a relatively lean balance sheet will help Indian Hotels be a key beneficiary of revenge travel and tourism in the near term. And the second stock update for the day is PNC Infratech. Analyst maintains a buy on PNC Infratech with a revised price target of 360 rupees owing to its strong order book and healthy earnings growth outlook. Awarding of road projects would gather pace post impact of COVID-19 in May 2021, while construction activities remained strong. Toll project revenues are expected to rebound as seen by FASTag issuances. Bank credit deployment to road sector has been rising in double digits since February 2021. The company is eyeing a 20% year-on-year revenue growth, OPM of 13.5 to 14%, and order inflows of around 8,000 to 9,000 crore rupees for FY22. The order book at 16,623 crores is 3.4 times trailing 12-month revenues, provides a strong revenue visibility. And the last stock update for the day is on PI Industries. Analyst maintains a buy on PI Industries with an unchanged price target of 3,300, as we expect it to outperform the peers with best earnings growth expectation of 39% year-on-year in Q1 FY22. The growth is likely to be driven by continued robust growth in CSM export business, which contributes to 73% of overall revenues, and market share gains in domestic agrochemical business. The potential successful acquisition of pharmaceutical assets having significant exposure to the export market could accelerate earnings growth in the coming years. Stock's premium valuation of 40 times FY23 EPS is justified given sustained high earnings growth outlook and diversification of product offerings in the high growth CSM business. It's been a pleasure bringing you the Sharekhan podcast, and thank you for listening in as always. For more details, disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure documents issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and the terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.